Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is an English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 7, over the counter medicines. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentations and worksheet links are given below into the description box. You may click it, download it, or you can modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture 3, under the title of pronunciation skills. Today we will learn about consonant clusters. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about 3 consonant clusters. I hope you remember it. If you don't, you may watch this video lecture again. Our today's learning outcomes are: classify words that begin or end with the same consonant clusters. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, so only those of his servants who have knowledge of these realities with a vision and outlook fear him. Surely Allah is Almighty, most forgiving. Surah Fatir, verse number 28. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala giving us that knowledge that Allah gives that those servants who have knowledge about realities, means those have knowledge on his religion, his vision, means we can say that Allah is saying that on Jannah, on the Sunnah of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, just those have fear of him, and Allah Almighty knows everything that we think, even we do. Let's refresh our knowledge. Pre-reading questions are there. What are consonants? What are consonant clusters? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, I hope you have given answers. What are consonants? There are 26 letters in English alphabets, out of which 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. Yes, my dear students, as we know that we have 26 total letters in English alphabets, and from those 26 letters, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. These are alphabets and we can say vowels. 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. These 5 are vowels and other remaining letters are called consonants. What are consonant clusters? A group of consonants having no vowel between them is called consonant cluster. Yes, my dear students, when the group of 2 letters, it can be 3 letters, but there is no vowel between them, then these are called consonant clusters. Now, let's have a look on examples. Here are a few examples. FL, flower. That FL is a combination of 2 letters and there is no vowel. We can judge there: green, star, blue, crown, frog, swing, snail. And in these examples, you can judge that the consonant clusters are there: GR, ST, combinations of 2 consonants without a vowel. So these are called consonant clusters. If a blend is at the start of the word, we refer it as initial. If the blend is at the end of the word, we call it final position. Yes, my dear students, two positions are there for consonant clusters, initial position and final position. When the letters, two letters are being blended at the initial position and the start of the word, we say it as initial consonant cluster, and if the blend is at the end of the word, then we call it final consonant cluster. Let's have few examples. Sparrow. This is a sparrow, you can see that. And crisp. Yes, can you judge the difference here? That SP. This is a consonant cluster and this is in the start and that is initial position. And same consonant cluster is there, SP at the end, and that's why we call it at the final consonant cluster. The next example, skull and desk. That SK, same consonant cluster in the final position and the last in the final position and the first position. Next example, star, nest. You can judge there too, ST, star and nest with the same ending of consonant clusters. Yes, my dear students, now it's time to let's learn by an activity. Make consonant cluster columns on the board. Ask students one by one. They will write the word in column A with the initial consonant cluster and in the column B with the same final consonant cluster on the board. If students write correct, they will get a point. If they write wrong, they will lose points. Engage whole class in this activity. Yes, my dear teacher, this activity is for you and you have to get it from to students. Make two columns on the board and call students one by one. They will write the same as we have learned, that the same ending sound and the same initial consonant cluster. They will write a word on the board. Pause the video and enjoy this activity in your class. Yes, I hope you have enjoyed it. Good. Yes, open your book, page number 64, and now we will do individual activity in our class. Do question number 4 on your book and find out these words given at the end of this page. You will find from this puzzle. Perform this activity in your class. I hope you have done it. So what's our homework? For homework, students will write 10 words with 3 consonant clusters in their notebook. You will write 10 words in your notebook. This is worksheet and you may click it, download it and provide it to your students in printed form. So wrap up what we have learned today. We covered today to classify words that begin or end with the same consonant clusters, and in this way we have covered up our SLO, classify words that begin or end with the same consonant clusters. Yes, we have done it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed your lecture. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.